Was Germany's invasion of Belgium just? Let's find out. Hello, my name is Harel Golden. In this video, I will argue why Germany's invasion of Belgium in World War I was unethical and utterly unjust, both morally and legally. I'll use the just war principles, the Treaty of London, and the Hague Convention. So what happened? Let's dive in. In 1914, the Germans launched the Schlieffen Plan, a strategy that would allegedly quickly defeat France by going through neutral Belgium. Yet this invasion violated the neutral status by ignoring the Treaty of London, signed in 1839, way back then, and more so, signed by Prussia, which is actually now a part of Germany. This makes this even worse. According to Just War Principle 1, a war must be started by a legitimate authority, and this has to follow international law. Germany clearly violated this when it invaded Belgium without a true cause. German Chancellor Theobald von Bethmann Hollweg even called the Treaty of London a scrap of paper, showing how little Germany cared about the agreement. By ignoring Belgian neutrality, they broke both the Treaty of London and Hague Convention, Articles 1 and 5, which states that neutral countries must not be invaded and their sovereignty must be accepted. Now let's take a look at the total human casualties. It's estimated that over 40,000 Belgian soldiers died during this war. 8,756 civilians died in total. Amongst these civilians, 6,453 were killed within the first week of the invasion. Yes, week. Demographers also estimated around 78,665 total deaths when including increased mortality from war-related causes like disease, famine, hunger, all these factors. These numbers proved the immense suffering Belgium faced and proved that Germany's actions had just deadly and unjust consequences for innocent people. Just War Principle 3 is just as proportional, meaning that the violence used in a war must not be more than necessary. This means that Germany used extreme force, including burning towns like Louvain and attacking civilians, goes way beyond what was needed. It was not just military, it was destruction for control, not defense. Now, did Germany have a chance of success? Some might argue that they thought they had a reasonable chance for success, which is a part of Just War Principle 4. The Schlieffen Plan was designed to win the war fast by beating France before turning to Russia. In fact, Germany captured Liège and occupied most of Belgium early on, so maybe they believed their actions would work. Could argue that, but this is just still unjust. But just because they thought they could win doesn't mean their actions were right. Germany violated treaties they agreed to, right? They invaded a peaceful neutral country, and their invasion led to mass civilian deaths, suffering and destruction. Even if their plan worked in short term, it was still unethical and illegal. So was Germany's invasion of Belgium just? No. It broke international laws, ignored neutrality, and caused unnecessary suffering. Based on just war principle, Hague Conventions, and the Treaty of London, the invasion was clearly unjust and illegal. Thank you for listening.